Today we'll talk about how can you change password on your Redfin app. We're going to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down here, click here on my Redfin, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, so you just go down here, then you click here on settings, you just click on it, then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on change password, you just click on it here, then it's going to show for you list like this. You click here on OK, then it's going to reset automatically with you here. So then can you change it from your email. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by